Hello, this is my last piece of technology that I'm going to share with you. It's called Quizlet, and it's to create flashcards. My daughters introduced me to this one, and I think I'm going to use it with my newcomers, especially with vocabulary and having them create their cards and sets so they can share. So here's one that I already made. There's only a few cards, but you can see, you can get an idea of how to use it. So here's the word in English, you flip it, and then you have it in Spanish and with a picture to understand it better. There's the next one, and then we have games. So you can play this one and practice your words. Okay, you can also practice in a different way. So here I need to type it in Spanish. Let's see, did I do it right? I forgot L. So that one I got it right. And this one I need to continue practicing. Then I can spell them. So I need to type what I hear. I'll click here. I'll hear orange juice, so that's what I need to type. And then you can take a test on them. My internet's very slow, so and check my answers. I got 100%. So this is how easy it is. I'm pretty sure that you're thinking of more ideas of where you can use it. So I hope you liked it. Thank you.